Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install SOLIDWORKS 2019. Once you've downloaded your installation files, you can open up the SLDIM, which stands for SOLIDWORKS Installation Manager. Right click on the SLDIM application and select Run as Administrator. You will see the SOLIDWORKS Installation Manager pops up, and the first tab is called Welcome. Here you will specify that you want to do an individual installation on this computer. Then you are prompted for your SOLIDWORKS serial number. Once you've typed in your serial number, click Next. SOLIDWORKS will now check to see if you have an active subscription and if you are entitled to the service pack you are installing. Currently I'm installing service pack 3. Once the check is done, you can select the products you wish to install. For the time being, I just want to install SOLIDWORKS and eDrawings. Then specify your installation location. So I will keep my default, which installs to your local C drive, to a folder called Program Files and SOLIDWORKS Corp. You also see Install From. This is where your installation files are at the moment. Then you need to specify your toolbox or whole wizard options. I'm going to create a folder called SOLIDWORKS Data on my C drive, and my toolbox installation method is New Toolbox. Once you've specified all your settings, you can accept the terms and conditions and click Install Now. Then click Finish. Now, to activate your SOLIDWORKS license, all you need to do is double click to activate SOLIDWORKS. You can now say, I want to activate my SOLIDWORKS product now. Next. Click Select All to highlight your SOLIDWORKS product and select Automatically over the internet. Make sure that you have an internet connection so that your SOLIDWORKS license will activate accordingly. Once your activation has succeeded, click Finish. Make sure you read and accept the SOLIDWORKS license agreement and click Accept. Your SOLIDWORKS installation and activation is now complete. Thank you for watching.